ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 289। पूर्व पक्षी गेव अनुमानम that sanchita karma is not jnana nivartya karmatvat arabdha karmavat. What is the dosha in this anumana? What is the dosha? Dosha is there or this is sad anumanam? Sanchita karma na jnana nivartyam. This is Purva Pakshi's pratignya. This is right or wrong?
It is wrong.
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 So that means this anumanam has some defect. Karmatvat, he said, arabdha karmavat. If prarabdha karma is not jnana nivartya, sanchita also will not be. What is the dosha? How? What is the vyabhichara? Vyabhichara means hetu is there, sadhya is not there. Karmatva is there, jnana nivartyatva is not there. Jnana nivartyatva is means jnana nivartyatva. But in jnana nivartyatva is not there. Jnana nivartyatva is there, na jnana nivartyatvam. So if you want to show vyabhichara, jnana nivartyatvam, so it is there. In sanchita jnana nivartyatvam is there. In last line of tika, you see what is given. Anumanam tu agama apabadhitam. It is badhita. Why badhita? Shruti pramanena. So anya pramana is there. Pramanantara shows virodha. Right? So it is badhita. Further in tika. Agama apabadhitam. Clear, right? आगमेन बाधितम। ननु अनारब्ध कर्म निवृत्तावपि विदुषश्चेद आरब्ध कर्म न निवर्तते तथा च यथा पूर्वं विपरीत प्रत्ययादि प्रवृत्तेर विद्वद अविद्वद विशेषो न स्यात्। अतः again there is a question. Anarabdha karma nivruttavapi. Even if there is anarabdha karma nivrutti, means sanchita karma nivrutti, vidushashched arabdha karma na nivartate. For a jnani, if prarabdha karma nivrutti is not there, means he has to go through prarabdha. तथा च यथा पूर्वम विपरीत प्रत्ययादि प्रवृत्तेः. Viparita pratyaya, if they are seen in jnani, then what is the bheda between jnani and ajnani? Vidvad, avidvad, vishesho na syat. Vishesho means bheda. Vishesho nama bheda. There is no bheda between jnani and ajnani. If jnani also has विपरीत प्रत्यय अतः इन भाष्य, दिस इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल भाष्य और जीवन मुक्ति एंड क्लैरिटी अबाउट ज्ञानम। किंच न च विपरीत प्रत्ययो विद्यावतः उत्पद्यते। और एक ज्ञानी विपरीत प्रत्यय उत्पत्ति विल नॉट हैपन। विद्यावतः, विद्यावत षष्ठी, विद्यावतः, विपरीत प्रत्यय विल नॉट कम। टीका हेतु सिद्ध्यर्थम विपरीत प्रत्यय विषयम विशदयति। So you will see विशदयति come very regularly. हेतु सिद्ध्यर्थम विपरीत प्रत्यय विषयम. So why viparita pratyaya is not there? So for that hetu siddhyartham, this is hetu siddha nirvishayatvat. This vakya has hetu. What is that? Nirvishayatvat. Nirvishayatvat अनवधृत विषय विशेष स्वरूपम ही सामान्यम सामान्य मात्रम आश्रित्य विपरीत प्रत्ययो अवभासमान उत्पद्यते। निर्विषयत्वात् 5 नंबर टिप्पणी विदुषी विपरीत प्रत्यय विषय अभावात्। विदुषी मीन्स इन ज्ञानी। विदुषी इज पुल्लिंग और स्त्रीलिंग? पुल्लिंग, नॉट स्त्रीलिंग। इट इज नॉट लाइक विदुषा एंड स्त्रीलिंग विदुषी, लाइक दैट। दिस इज सप्तमी एकवचन। निर्विषयत्वात्, फॉर ए ज्ञानी विपरीत प्रत्यय विषय is not there. Means jnani does not become vishaya of viparita pratyaya. In other words, jnani will not have viparita pratyaya. In other words, viparita bhavana nivritti should happen. Then one can say that jnanam has taken place. Anavadhrita vishaya vishesha swarupam. Avadhrita means avadharanam. Vishaya vishesha swarupam. Example will come if there is rajju. In rajju, if vishesha swarupa avadharanam, rajju samanya rupam is what? Iyam. Iyam rajjuhu. So iyam is samanya rupa. That will continue in bhranti also and in jnana kala also. But vishesha rupam is rajjutva. Rajju rajjutvena when it is jnanam, jnatam. Rajju rajjutvena jnatam, this is called vishesha swarupa. When this vishaya vishesha swarupa avadharanam is not done, is called anavadhrita vishaya vishesha swarupa. And samanya matram ashritya, and samanya jnanam is there, means aham asmi, this jnanam is there. But aham brahma asmi, this jnanam is not there. Then viparita pratyaya will happen. सामान्य मात्रम आश्रित्य विपरीत प्रत्ययो अवभासमान उत्पद्यते। लाइक अयम सर्पः, अयम सर्प इज विपरीत प्रत्यय। यथा he gives example. 6 number टिप्पणी also you note अनवधारण विषयो विशेष स्वरूपम यस्य, this is called अनवधृत विषय विशेष स्वरूपम। अनवधारण विषयो विशेष स्वरूपम यस्य बहुव्रीहि समास. Avadharanam means this is this only, nishchita, in this way, in which there is no vikalpa. When Vishesha Rupa is Jnatam, Avadharana Rupena, that this is Rajju only, in this way. And if I say, Rajju, Sarpa, Udakadhara, I don't know, then it is Anavadharana. Vishesha Rupa Jnanam has not taken place. Yatha, in Bhashya, Shuktikayam Rajatam iti. In Shuktika, what is the Visheshamsha? Shuktitva. Shuktitva Jnanam, if it is not there. And Iyam Shukti, in that Iyam Pada is known as Idam, and then Rajata Bhranti, Viparita Pratyaya will happen. Tika. Purva Prashta. Samprati Vidvad Vishaye, Vishaya Abhavat, Viparita Pratyasya Anutpattim Upanyasyati. Samprati Idani. Vidvad Vishaye, Vishaya Abhavat, Viparita Pratyasya Anutpattim. In case of a Jnani, Vidvad Vishaya means, in case of Jnani, Vishaya Abhavat, Viparita Pratyasya Anutpattim. Vishaya Abhav means that Jnani will not become the one who has Viparita Pratyaya. See in Bhashya. Such a Vishaya Vishesha Avadharanavataha Ashesha Viparita Pratyaya Ashayasya Upamarditvat na Purvavat Sambhavati. Vishaya Vishesha Avadharanavataha. Vishaya Vishesha. Whatever Vishaya actually here means Brahma. Vishaya Vishesha. You see, Brahmatma Ikyam is a Vishesha. Swarupa Matram Samanyam. Swarupa Matram means Jivatva Kartaham, Bhoktaham, Pramataham, ityadi. This is all Samanya Jnanam. This Jnanam, Gopalaka, like that Bhashaka writes in some places. Those who take the cows also, or Avipalaka, they also know I am Karta Bhokta. This is Samanya Jnanam. I have studied so many Shastras for so many years. I have taught so many things. I have Samanya Jnanam of Aham, not Vishesha Jnanam. Then I am just like those illiterate people who don't study Shastra, and they also say I am Karta Bhokta Pramata. I study so much and I say I am Karta Bhokta Pramata. Ko Vishesha. There is no Bheda. Such a Vishaya Vishesha Avadharanavataha Ashesha Viparita Pratyaya Ashayasya Upamarditvat. All Viparita Pratyaya, their Ashraya is what? Vishesha Anavadharanam. Not having Vishesha Jnanam or Vishesha Jnana Nishchaya is the cause of all Viparita Pratyayas. Ashesha Viparita Pratyaya Ashayasya. All of them are Upamardita. They are destroyed for Jnani. Therefore, Na Purvavat Sambhavati. Na Purvavat Sambhavati Kim? Or Kaha? Viparita Pratyaya. Good. Viparita Pratyaya Na Punaha Sambhavati. So for Jnani, Viparita Pratyaya will not come. In Tika, आशयस्य अगृहीत विशेषस्य सामान्यमात्रस्य आलम्बनस्य इति यावत्। आशयस्य अगृहीत विशेषस्य that pratyay ashaya means the hetu, if you call ashayasya agrihit visheshasya, whose vishesha grahanam is not done. Both are samanadhikaranya. What is the hetu for viparita pratyaya? Agrihita vishesha. Vishesha agrahanam will cause anyatha grahanam. Right? This is your parichit. सामान्य मात्रस्य आलंबनस्य इति यावत्. सामान्य मात्र आलंबन ग्रहणम is there. Instead of ashayasya, if ashrayasya, that part is used, then also ashrayasya iti pathe api ayam eva artha, same artha. विदुषो विपरीत प्रत्ययादि प्रतिभासे अपि न यथा पूर्वं तत्सत्वम् यस्य तु यथा पूर्वं संसारित्वम् इत्यादि न्याय विरोधात् इति मत्वा उक्तम्. विदुषो विपरीत प्रत्ययादि प्रतिभासे अपि, even if for a jnani viparita pratyaya avabhasanam is there, pratibhasa is there, it appears that there is something, na yatha purvam tat sattvam, yatha purvam, like before knowledge how he had viparita pratyaya, like that na tat sattvam, tat sattvam anuvartamanatvam na. 8 number tippani and then 10 number tippani, both. Nanu अस्मदादेरिव विदो अपि रागादिः अनुवर्तते तत्कार्य दीर्घदर्शनात् इति आशंकाः. अस्मदादेः इव, this is means he puts himself as whoever is asking the question, that I have ragadvesha, for me ragadi anuvritti is there. If for jnani also ragadi anuvartate, tat karya dirgha darshanat, how the karya is seen of the ragadi darshanat iti ashankyaha vidushaha iti. विदुषो विपरीत प्रत्यादि प्रतिभासे अपि. फर्दर इन टिप्पणी तथा च वार्तिकम आगमाद वेद चेद ब्रह्म ब्रह्मैव भवति इति हि फलावस्थस्य च सतः कुतो रागादि संप्लुतिः. The one who has understood aham brahma through agama, agamad veda chet brahma, asti brahmeti ched veda, that is this veda. Santamenam tato viduriti phalavasthasya cha satah, but there it is paroksha jnanam. Here it is aham brahmeti ched veda. Phalavasthasya cha satah kuto ragadi samplutihi. He is already phalavastha, means brahmanishtha. Then how ragadi sampluti will be there? Iti brahmaham asmi iti shruter ज्ञानतो ब्रह्म भावस्य आवश्यकत्वात् ब्रह्म भूतस्य रागादि असंस्पर्शात् न तस्य यथा पूर्वं तत्कार्यम अस्ति इत्यर्थः. the one who has gained this knowledge, I am Brahma, from Shruti. Brahmaham asmiti shrutehe jnanatah Brahma bhavasya avashyakatvat. Then Brahma bhava will be there. Brahma bhutasya, for that Brahma bhuta, Brahma jnani, who has become one with Brahma, ragadi asamsparshat. There is no samsparsha of ragadi. Means one may see that, oh, he's acting, he wants this, he doesn't want this. So there is raga for one, dvesha for another. It is only Bhranti. Because in his mind, there is no raga. Only he will know. Onlookers outside, they will not know anything. In his mind, there is no ragadi. Ragadi asamsparsha. 10 number tippani. Yasya tu yatha purvam iti. Yatha purvam is not there. Uktam hi etat chatusutri bhashyopante bhagavata bhashyakata. Yatha purvam samsaritvam nasti. See, in that Bhashyakar's quotation is given. Tasmad na avagata brahmatma bhavasya yatha purvam samsaritvam. Yasya tu yatha purvam sansaritvam na asau avagata brahmatma bhava iti anavadyam. This is a prasiddha in Chatusutri. At the end, this vakya comes. At the end means not the last sentence, but in last paragraph or so, somewhere you will find. Iti panchadasha tama mantra tikayam asya brahmanasthasya. In the 15th mantra tika of this brahmana, it will come. This brahmana means which brahmana? Purusha Brahmana, this one, Chaturtha Brahmana. Further, तत्र अनुभवं प्रमाणयति शुक्तिकादाविति. शुक्तिकादौ सम्यक् प्रत्यय उत्पत्तौ पुनः अदर्शनात्. शुक्तिकादौ सम्यक् प्रत्यय उत्पत्तौ पुनः विपरीत प्रत्ययस्य अदर्शनात्. So this is our अनुभव also. टीका. So in this, one is that Jnani's mind is not having those raga dvesha impressions. Further also this is discussed. Another thing is that Jnani knows I am Brahma. I am not the Vyakti. I am not this Antakarana. Ajnani does not know I am Brahma. Jnani knows I am Brahma. Because Jnani knows I am Brahma, therefore in that Brahma, Raga Dveshadis are not there. In Panchadashi's 7th chapter, there is a shloka, Rago Lingam Abodhasya Santu Ragadayo Budhehe. Two things are said. First part says, most likely 191 shloka, 7th chapter. Rago Lingam Abodhasya. The Raga is there, Ajnani. Because Raga is a Hetu, Lingam, for Ajnana. Second Uttarardha says, Santu Ragadayo Budhehe. Let there be Ragadi in Jnani. The second part is Sureshwaracharya's. Maybe the whole thing is Sureshwaracharya's. So how do you explain this? That Jnani knows whether Raga is there or not externally. So Jnani will say, I don't have all these Ragadi. They are in Antakarana. But in this way, if Ragadis are there and then you go on saying, they are not in me, they are in this antakarana, I am not antakarana. If knowledge has not taken place, those ragadis will give you dukkha. Whole idea you started the journey was for dukkha nivritti. Again, you are back to the same thing. So that should not happen. So when such vakyas are there, one should know how to understand what is said. Maharaj gives an example on this. Lot of people say, instead of using I, they will go on using the word the sharira. अपने राम वहां गए, अपने राम ऋषिकेश से हरिद्वार जा रहे हैं, अपने राम ये instituting some other word, that does not make jnanam. शरीर जा रहा है, शरीर ये कहा है, शरीर वो. No, jnanam is jnanam. You don't have to tell others. What others, it doesn't matter whether others understand or not. You understand, that is enough. More discussions are there. See. यथा अज्ञानवतो विपरीत प्रत्यय भावो अनुभूयते तथा तद्वतो अपि क्वचित विपरीत प्रत्यय दृश्यते. Just as for अज्ञानी विपरीत प्रत्यय are seen, experienced. तद्वतः अपि और ज्ञानवतः, तद्वतः means ज्ञानवतः अपि क्वचित प्रत्यय दृश्यते. Some प्रत्ययs are seen, विपरीत प्रत्यय. तथा च कथम तव अनुभव विरोधो न प्रसरेत इति आशंक्य. Then how there is no अनुभव विरोध? There is अनुभव विरोध. That you say that he has jnanam and viparita pratyaya is also seen. Somebody is asking. इति आशंक्य. परोक्ष ज्ञानवती विपरीत प्रत्यय सत्वे अपि न अपरोक्ष ज्ञानवती तद्दार्ढ्यम इति अभिप्रेत्याह. For a paroksha jnanavan, viparita pratyaya can be there. But for aparoksha jnanavan, viparita pratyaya is not there. Why? Because jnana dardhyam is there. Means sanshaya viparya rahit jnanam is there. क्वचित् तु विद्यायाः पूर्वोत्पन्न विपरीत प्रत्यय जनित संस्कारेभ्यो विपरीत प्रत्यय अवभासाः स्मृतयो जायमाना विपरीत प्रत्यय भ्रांतिम अकस्मात् कुर्वन्ति. क्वचित्, क्वचित् at some time परोक्ष ज्ञान आधारः सप्तम्य अर्थः. सप्तमी is क्वचित्. See second number टिप्पणी, परोक्ष ज्ञानवती means in someone who has paroksha jnanam, विद्यायाः पूर्व उत्पन्न विपरीत प्रत्यय जनित संस्कारेभ्यः. Before vidya, whatever पूर्व उत्पन्न विपरीत प्रत्यय संस्कारास are there, by them संस्कारेभ्यः विपरीत प्रत्यय अवभासाः स्मृतयः जायमाना. So many samskaras are there, some viparita pratyaya can arise. स्मृतयः जायमाना विपरीत प्रत्यय भ्रांतिम अकस्मात् कुर्वन्ति. अकस्मात्, अकस्मात् means without nimitta also viparita pratyaya can come. Only nimitta is ajnanam. Other nimitta, even if it is not there, means sometimes you are by yourself and still suddenly you can get angry up with someone or have dvesha for someone or some kama can come. There is no other nimitta. It's just in your mind because of samskara. Janita samskara. So even if we entertain some samskaras for some time, they can become problem later. What to talk if deliberately we create these samskaras? We are definitely going to get punished for them. So at least knowingly don't create raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, etc. अकस्मात् कुर्वन्ति. टीका पंचमी तु अपरोक्ष ज्ञानार्था. पंचमी, वेर इज पंचमी? विद्यायाः. विद्यायाः इज पंचमी. विद्या से पूर्व, prior to knowledge. That is पंचमी. अकस्मात् इति अज्ञान अतिरिक्त क्लृप्त सामग्री अभावोक्तिः. अकस्मात् means अज्ञान अतिरिक्त क्लृप्त सामग्री is not there. Abhava is there. Only ajnanam is there and viparita pratyaya has come. So we cannot blame someone that because of you this has happened, because you have entertained some samskaras about that earlier. यथा विज्ञात, दृष्टांत is given, यथा विज्ञात दिक् विभागस्य अपि अकस्मात् दिक् विपर्यय विभ्रमः. विज्ञात दिक् विभागस्य, the person who knows दिक् विभाग, means this is east, this is west, he knows. But sometimes that person can also have दिक् भ्रमः. What to talk of other person who is a new person in some place. Like that Brahma Jnanam also, even after studying, some Viparita Pratyaya can come. Vidusho mithya jnana abhavam uktva. Vidusho mithya jnana abhavam uktva. Vipakshe doshama. For a jnani, mithya jnanam will not be there. Means Viparita Pratyaya will not be there. In other words, he take Jagat as Satyam. He will not take himself as Karta Bhokta. He should know Jagat is Mithya. Samyak Jnanavato Chet Purvavat Viparita Pratyaya Utpadyate Samyak Jnane api Avisrambhat Shastrartha Vijnanadau Pravrittir Asamanjasa Syat. Sarvam cha pramanam apramanam sampadhyata. If for Samyak Jnanavan also, Bhashyakar is elaborating. If you say for person who has Samyak Jnana bataha api Purvavad Viparita Pratyaya Utpadyate Chet. Like how earlier he had Viparita Pratyaya, now also if it is there, then in Samyak Jnana everybody will have Avishwasa. Samyak Jnane api Avisrambhat. Avisrambhat, Avishwasa. Shastrartha Vijnanadau Pravrittihi Asamanjasa Syat. Samanjasya will not be there in Shastrartha Vijnana. Pravritti. So a person will have a doubt that after Jnanam also, if this is what is going to happen, then what is the use? Like that. And Sarvam cha Pramanam Apramanam Sampadyata. Pramanam Apramanam Tippani Pramitihi Apramitihi. So Pramanam Mang Mane Dhatu. Pra Upasarga Purvak Mang Mane Dhatu. If in bhav lut pratyay, if it is done, it will say pramanam. But here pramanam means not pramakaranam. This is not karana vitpatti. This is bhava. So here pramanam does not mean pramayaha karanam. Here pramanam means prama and apramanam means aprama. Like pramiti, apramiti is given in Tippani. In other words, all jnanam will become ajnanam. Pramanam apramanam sampadyata. टीका तत्पूर्वकम अनुष्ठानम आदि शब्दार्थः. Vijnanadau, that adi shabda is vijnana purvakam anushtanam. So some shravanadi, whatever happens, with this knowledge that shastra is pramanam. The moment I see some other thing, then I will say this shastra doesn't look pramanam anymore. So I will not do shravanam. Samyak jnana avisrambhe doshantaramaha. Somebody says if there is no vishwasa in samyak jnana, so what is there? Samyak jnane api avisrambhat. So samyak jnana avisrambhe doshantaram sarvam cha pramanam apramanam sampadyate. This is another dosha. Jnanat ajnana dhvanse tad uttham mithya jnanasya savishayasya. Jnanat ajnana dhvanse tad utth mithya jnanasya savishayasya बाधितत्वात् न विदुषो रागादिः इति उपपाद्य. Let's see this much first. With the help of knowledge, when ignorance is destroyed, jnanat ajnana dhvanse. Then when ajnanam is gone, viparita pratyaya also should go. Viparita mithya jnanam should go. Tadutha mithya jnanasya. Tadutha ajnanutha mithya jnanasya savishayasya savishayasya बाधितत्वात्. विषय jagat is also badhita, and therefore raga dvesha will come when there is dvaitam. In dvaitam, if satyatva is there, there is raga dvesha. Somebody says, you are very hungry, very good. We have the plastic grapes and plastic apple, and they look both beautiful. Which one do you want? Where do you have raga, where do you have dvesha? Both are badhita. Ragadi will not be there. Na vidusho ragadihi iti upapadya. Jnanan mokshe tad janma matrena shariram sthiti hetu abhava abhavat patet. Shariram patet. Sharira anvay will happen. Jnanan mokshe tad janma matrena. Jnanasya janma matrena sthiti hetu abhavat shariram patet. He will fall there. Sadyo mukti paksham pratyaha. Bhashya Purva Prashtha Pramana Apramanayor Vishesha Anupapatte. Then what will happen? Between Pramana and Apramana, Vishesha will not be there. Distinction will not be there. एतेन सम्यक् ज्ञानानन्तरम् एव शरीरपात अभावः कस्मात् इति एतत् परिहृतम्. Therefore, सम्यक् ज्ञानानन्तरं शरीरपात will not happen. This is explained. What is explained? That everything is badhita. Ajnana, ajnana karyam. So sharira is badhita, vyavahar is also badhita. प्रवृत्त फलस्य कर्मणो भोगादृते क्षयो नास्ति इति उक्तेन न्यायेन इति यावत्. प्रवृत्त फलस्य कर्मणः प्रारब्ध कर्मणः भोगादृते क्षयो नास्ति. By this vakya, by this nyaya, this question is answered that why after samyak jnanam sharirapata does not happen. So sarvam avadatam. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.